Now we are going to study synthetic division method. Here there is first question from your 3.3. 2m square minus 3m plus 10 is divided by m minus 5. So what to do? I am going to write first 3x is equal to 2m square minus 3m plus 10. So what is this polynomial is given in standard form, means index 2, then afterwards 1 and then 0. Now we have to take coefficient form of this. We should write given polynomial in coefficient form. CF is coefficient form. So what is CF? 2 minus 3 and 10. This is coefficient form. Now divisor. What is divisor? Divisor is equal to m minus 5. Opposite of minus 5 is 5. Therefore, by synthetic division, this is not necessary to write. Directly you may write here. You should draw such a way perpendicular line. Now take here coefficient form 2 minus 3 and 10. Now in the divisor there is minus 5, is opposite of minus 5 is 5. So 5 is written to this side. Now what to do? These 2 take as it is. 2 take down as it is. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 3, 7 will remain. 10 minus 3, 7 will remain. Now 7 into 5, 7 into 5. This 5 is multiplied with this 7. 7 5 are 35. Means what is 10? 45. Addition is done. 10 plus 35. 45. This last term is called remainder. Now here this is CF form. This is CF form. Then here 0. Here it is 1. Means we should convert it into index form. What is here? Coefficient. Here variable is taken m. So we should have to take m raised to 1 plus m raised to 0. Now then 2 will come here. And this m raised to 0 means here this is 1 minute. This is 7. Means what happened? 2 raised to m raised to 1 plus 7. It is index form. Therefore, what is quotient? Quotient is equal to 2m plus 7 and the remainder is equal to 45. That is the answer. Now we are going to solve second question. You may write it. Second question, please read. What is given in second question? X raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is divided by x plus 2. So look here, polynomial px. First I am going to write polynomial px. X raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 3 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 means 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now coefficient form. All are in standard form. Therefore coefficient form 1. This is 2. 3, then 4 and then 5. Now divisor is equal to x plus 2. Then opposite of 2 is minus 2. Therefore by synthetic division, by SB, here take minus 2 by which you are going to divide. And now coefficient form 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this 1 is taken here down. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Now 2 minus 2 here it is 0. This one as it is down. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. Then 3 is remainder. 3 plus 0, 3. Now 3 2s are minus 6. Minus 6 plus 4, minus 2 will remain. Minus 2 will remain. And minus 2 into minus 2, product of minus 2 into minus 2, positive 4 means remainder came 9 now. Okay. Now we have to convert this. This is a coefficient form. So what to do? Here I am writing CF is equal to 1, 0, 3, minus 2. Okay. Then from here we should start. This is right C constant term. Then 1, then 2, and then 3. Okay. Then here it is x, so x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to 1, and this is instead of C. Now you may take here minus 2. This is minus 2 as it is. Here this is 1x cube plus 0x square plus 3x raised to 1 minus 2. Means index form became. Now index form is equal to x cube plus 3x minus 2. Means quotient is equal to x cube plus 3x minus 2. And what is remainder? The remainder is equal to 9. So this is called a synthetic division method. By synthetic division method, now we are going to solve next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Y raised to 3 minus 216 divided by y minus 6. So take here polynomial x, polynomial y should come because what is variable given? Variable is given to us of y. So py is equal to y raised to 3 minus 216. It is not given in standard form. So y cube plus 0y square plus 0y minus 216. Those terms are not given, that terms are here taken. Now what will you do? Coefficient form 1, 0, 0 minus 216. Opposite of in y minus 6, opposite of minus 6 is 6. Therefore, by synthetic division, what is that? 1, 0, 0 minus 216, and this 6 is taken here. So take 1 here now. 1 into 6, 6. 6 6 are 36. 0 plus 36, 36 as it is. 6 into 36, positive 216, and remainder is 0. Okay. Now we have to convert this CF into index form. 1, 6, 36. So you may write 36 as it is here, no problem. This is 1 and this is 2. Means y raised to 2 and this is y raised to 1. Then here 1 as it is. Here plus 6y raised to 1 plus 36. Okay. Means index form. What is index form? This is index form. Means quotient is equal to y raised to 2 plus 6y plus 36. Is it clear? Now what to do? Now what is remainder? Remainder is equal to 0. Finish. So by this way, question number 3 is here completed. Now we will enter into one of the biggest question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is, see, 2x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 3 plus 4x minus 2x square divided by x plus 3. I will write here Px is equal to 2x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 3 minus 2x square plus 4x plus 0, because constant term is not given. Now CF is equal to constant form, coefficient form is equal to 2, 3 minus 2, 4, 0. 2, 3 minus 2, 4, 0. Okay. Now divisor is equal to x plus 3. Opposite of 3 is minus 3. Opposite of 3 is minus 3. Therefore, by synthetic division, 2, 3 minus 2, 4, 0. And now the here it is minus 3. We should write 2 as it is. 2 into minus 3. 2 3s are minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 means negative 3. Negative 3 into negative 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 means 7. 7 3s are minus 21. 21 minus 4, how much? Minus 17. And 17 3s are negative into negative is positive 51. You remember. Okay. Now, this is CF form. 2 minus 3 is 7 minus 17. So, minus 17 as it is, here it is 1, here it is 2, and here it is 3. Means here x is there. So, x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to 1, and this minus 17 as it is, means index form how comes? 2x raised to 3 minus 3 comes as a coefficient and this 7 comes as a coefficient. Therefore, quotient is equal to, writing here quotient, or if you, yes, what is quotient? Quotient is equal to 2x raised to 3 minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17. 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17. And what is remainder? The remainder is equal to 51. So this is question number 4 completed. I am going to remind you that you should subscribe the channel, you should write your comments, and you should share your likes. Now we are going in question number 5. Question number 5, x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 8 divided by x plus 4. What will happen? Polynomial Px is equal to x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 8. Therefore, polynomial Px is equal to, we should have taken standard form, x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 0x minus 8. Therefore, coefficient form becoming 1 minus 3, then 0, and this is minus 8. Now index form, now divisor is equal to x plus 4. Opposite of 4 is minus 4. Opposite of 4 is minus 4. Therefore, by synthetic division, we will see now. First we have to take one coefficient form, minus 3, 0, minus 8, and here it is divisors minus 4. This 1 comes as it is 1. 1 into minus 4, minus 3 plus minus 4, minus 7. 7 fours are positive 28. So here it is 28 as it is. 28 fours are 112. Negative 112. One more time. 1 as it is. 1 into 4 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Minus 7 into 4 positive 28. 28 plus 0 28. 28 fours are minus 112. So what happens? Minus 120. This is the part of remainder. Now we will convert it into index form. CF, what is that? 1 minus 7 and 28. Then this C as it is, here it is 1, here it is 2. You may take by different way also, here you may take 0, no matter. Then what will happen? Here you want x, so x, here it is x, and this 28 raised to 0. Okay, no need to write 0 actually. C as it is, no problem. Then CF is equal to, no, sorry, what is this? This is index form. So we are going to convert it to index form. So this one comes as a coefficient, minus 7 will come as a coefficient. So thus quotient is equal to x raised to 2 minus 7x plus 28, and what is remainder? Remainder is equal to minus 120. Now there is a last question. We will enter into the last question. What is last question? Y raised to 3 minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. Now look here, we will take this first py, y raised to 3 minus 3y square, 5y minus 1, then 3, 2, 1, and constant term given. So already it is in standard form, so we should write in CF form. CF form 1 minus 3, 5 minus 1. Now opposite of minus 1 is 1 now. Here you should write in y minus 1, in y minus 1, opposite of minus 1 is 1. By synthetic division, what is the next form? 1 minus 3, 5 minus 1. And opposite of minus 1 means divisor is 1. This 1 comes as it is. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 5 plus minus 2 means 3 will remain. 3 into 1, 3 1s are 3. So 3 minus 1, here this divisor remainder is 2. Now convert it into the coefficient form. What is coefficient form? 1 minus 2. And here is 3. This is coefficient form written. We should convert it to index form. So here C, this is 1, this is 2. This what happens? this is y raised to 2, y raised to 1, and this instead of c, now I will write here b. Then what happens? 1y minus 2y raised to 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 3 is the question, and the remainder is equal to 2. By this way, this exercise or practice set 3.3 is completed. If you have any doubt, I have given my mobile number below this channel in the channel link. So you should contact me for your any query, and you are requested once again to subscribe this channel, to write your comments, tell to your all friends, send to your friends the link of this channel. Thanks for watching this video.